Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install mongoDB and use it using their mongoDB Compass. So let's go to Google and search for download mongoDB. Then select the next mongoDB community downloads. Now you go to the tab mongoDB community server. Click on it. Now, if this will download the latest version of mongoDB, if you are like me using older version of Windows, like Windows 8.1, you should select a version that is earlier to 4.2, 4.2 or 4.2, 4.2 earlier to 4.2. Download it. After the file has been downloaded completely, run the installation process. Click on next. Agree to the terms and conditions. Next. Run complete installation. Uncheck the install mongoDB as a service. Next. Then keep this checked. Install mongoDB Compass. Next. Now install. The installation will take a while, and this it will run the complete installation with the installation of Compass as well. Now after the installation is finished, go to C drive, create a folder called data. Inside a folder, create another folder called DB. This folder will hold all the database collections that you will create. It already contains some. These are my earlier creations. Now go to program files, go to mongoDB server, then 4.2, then bin. Go to the address bar and copy the URL. Now go to properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Now select the path option, edit. Now in the blank for variable value, go to the end of it, then paste the URL, then OK. What it does is it allows the PowerShell to discover the mongoDB. Now go to the search bar, type Windows PowerShell or PowerShell. Select Windows PowerShell. Now type in mongoDB, not mongoDB, but just mongoDB. Press enter. This will connect to the mongoDB database. Now open another instance of the Windows PowerShell. And now type mongoD. No, Mongo, sorry. Mongo, just Mongo. Press enter. Give the command show collections, and this will list all the collections, database collections. Now you can view the same thing using Compass as well. Now go to search again, write mongoDB Compass, search for mongoDB Compass, run it. Now you see there is a URI mongoDB localhost. That is the URI to your local computer, localhost, the machine you are running the mongoDB on. Now just click on connect. Now these are the connections that are already being created by me. You can also create a new collection. Let's go to a collection called CRAT participants. Now there are two records here. You can also perform CRAT operations here. Also you can delete it, edit it, or copy it. So this is it. This is how you install mongoDB and Compass. Hope you like this video and have a good day.